Tulsa woman says she received a message from St. Francis that basically says change your doctor or change your insurance. Thanks for joining us. I'm Craig Day.
And I'm Lori Fulbright. She says it's because certain Medicare Advantage plans will no longer be accepted by the hospital system. News on 6's Aaron Conrad is live outside the hospital with why this change is happening. Aaron?
Well, Lori and Craig, this impacts patients who are on Medicare Advantage plans, like you said, under providers like Humana, Aetna, Blue Cross and Blue Shield, as well as others. And while it's only impacting primary care physicians right now, the woman I spoke with says she's worried this is just the beginning. In a message from her doctor on MyChart, Debra Stephens recently learned she'd need to find a new doctor.
I felt like I'd been a part of their system for 15 years, and I was being literally kicked out unless you adhere to our insurance. Go find someone else.
The message told Debra as of 2025, her primary care doctor would only be accepting CommunityCare Senior, United Healthcare, AARP, and plain Medicare. Her provider, Aetna, among others, will no longer be accepted.
I was just totally confused, and I was really upset.
In a statement from St. Francis, they tell us, we recently notified a small group of patients who have out-of-network Medicare Advantage plans that they will need to update their coverage to stay with their Warren Clinic primary care physician. Debra says she's always been in network with St. Francis, so we asked St. Francis to clarify. And a spokesperson says people like Debra will be considered out of network come January 1st.
I wish they would explain why. Is this a stepped process where we're going to cut off primary care and then we're going to cut off specialists? And then we're slowly going to, you'll have to have a certain kind of insurance to even get into St. Francis? Or is this just primary care, and why is it primary care?
Well, Debra tells me she wanted to speak up because she believes this impacts a lot of folks who've been with their doctor for a long time, and she hopes St. Francis reconsiders. She also says she's now considering moving out of state to other places that have better options for health care. Live in Tulsa, Aaron Conrad, Oklahoma's own News on 6.